Hey you guys, and welcome back for today's video. I decided to film this look that I created. It is a monochromatic purple look, meaning basically just about everything in this look is going to be revolving around some sort of shade of purple. So to begin this look, I'm going to go in with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be taking Buon Fresco from the palette to start off as a transition shade. And then after I do that, what I'm going to do is really strictly dive into the Tarte Lip Palette. I'm going to start off with this light purple shade, and I'm going to use this for the outer corner and the inner corner of this halo look. I'm kind of lifting up my eye to get right on the inner corner, and then I'm going to take the deepest purple shade in there, and I'm going to be using it with a pencil brush to apply on the inner corner to really get right in there, and then I'm going to be using it also for the outer corner. And as you guys will notice, I do go back in to kind of blend those colors out and kind of make it seamless, and as well as using a little bit of a smaller crease brush to kind of work it all the way through. As I was going in with this color, I realized that it wasn't as vibrant as I wanted it to be, so I dived into the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette and used that purple in that palette to really kind of get a little bit more purple out of the colors. Then I decided that I needed to create a kind of a halo effect, but I wanted it to be really cut in there. So I'm going to take a little bit of concealer, and I've gotten questions as to how to create this using the concealer, and my biggest tip with this is that you don't want to use as much concealer. So really you want to work with little bits of concealer, and then if you find that you have too much, I like take my finger and kind of just tap it away and pat it out. Then I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal shadow because I want to create another transition between that harsh purple and the white that I'm going to be going in with. When I first started this look, I decided I was going to do something frosty on the center, but as I looked at it, I decided that I really liked the way that it was just matte white. So I'm going to go in with just a matte white shadow right in the center and pack it right on, as you guys can see. That there finishes off the eye look, so we're going to add a little bit of mascara. This is the new Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, and I must say I'm really impressed with this mascara. My favorite wands are typically something with a lot thicker bristles, but this one made my lashes super long. So once we get done throwing on some lashes for a little more drama, we are done with the eye look, and now we're going to move into the face. I'm going to be priming my face, and then we're going to move into foundation. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, then you guys probably already know my thoughts on this, although my biggest thing with this Shape Tape foundation is that what I noticed is that when I apply it, anything I apply on top of it, any sort of liquid product on top of it, it takes it away, like it almost blotches up. When I was putting on this concealer, I noticed that it doesn't blend well with other products. It doesn't mesh well. So I'm not the biggest fan of this foundation, which is why I'm using the Cushion foundation from Wet n Wild, because I find that it thins it out quite a bit in consistency and it makes it much more wearable. For me, it's just not my favorite foundation. I think there's a lot of other foundations that are matte foundations that are better than this product. So that's just my personal thoughts on this. So to set everything, I'm going to go in with this big kabuki brush that I got from Eco Tools, and then I'm going to go in with just a little bit of bronzer to kind of bronze up the skin. And now that we have that on, we're now going to move into highlighter. I'm going to be using one of these highlighters from e.l.f. It's got this like purple hue to it, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And then what I figured was I wanted a little bit of a frosty kind of to make the highlight pop even more. So I'm going to go into this Duo highlighter set from e.l.f. again, and I'm going to pinpoint that right on the center of where the highest points of my cheeks are, and then on the top of my lip, because I really don't want purple highlighter above my lip. For lip liner, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild gel lip liner. these gel lip liners from Wet n Wild are amazing and they last so long. Definitely recommend these. And then I'm going to go in with this Love Out Loud liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade LOL. You guys, I was like, this is a little too stark, so I decided to go in with a little bit of an ombre effect. So I'm going to go in with this Julep lip color right in the center to kind of blend everything out. So that way it's not too dark and intense. And then to set everything, I'm going to go in with a e.l.f. setting spray. So that is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Make sure to subscribe before you guys head out, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.